Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles, the channel where every single day I show you how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from the new DC League of Super Pets movie, and this is Waffles the dog. So before we get started on that, please feel free to leave a like or maybe leave a comment and let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw in the future. Or if you have not subscribed, maybe you could do so. I'd love to have you stick around and join us for our daily doodles. All right, so let's get started. Waffles. I'm going to start drawing Waffles with the nose. So it's going to be like an upside down triangle. Kind of like that. And we're going to do a little nostril right here on this side, and same on the other side. And then we can come on down a bit, little line there in the middle. And before I'm going to do anything else with the mouth, I'm actually going to work on the eyes. So I'm going to do an upside down U shape right there, and then come on over. And I'm going to have Waffles looking over in this direction here to the side. So I'm going to do a circle here and put a circle right there. And there's going to be one there in the middle, and that one's going to be colored in all black. Now we can do the same over on this side. So same shape for the eye, try to make it around the same size. And same with the inside of the eye. But if it's not totally perfect, that's okay. We're just here having fun, practicing drawing. All right, so next I'm going to do like a little line up there and one up here, almost like a little eyebrow. And then I'm going to do another one up here and up here, and then connect those two with a little line here. And now I'm going to come on down this way and this way as well. And now we're going to come on down both sides there by the nose. And where we did this line earlier, now we're going to do almost like a little upside down U coming from that line. So right now he kind of looks a little bit sad, but we're going to turn this part of the mouth here, turn it up, both sides. So now he doesn't look quite as sad. And now a little curve here on the bottom. And this line here, we're going to join it up. And over here, we'll bring that right there. Now, we're going to have a thick line here in the middle of his face, like that. And we need two ears. So we're going to come straight on up. He's got great big tall ears. And then come on down like that. We can do a little inside of the ear, and same on the other side. Like that. Now let's do a little line here and over on this side for a little bit of the neck. And then we can curve right here. And I'm going to put a rectangle right here. And we're going to do the collar. And attach this little rectangle we did. We're going to put a circle for like his little name tag. And now a little bit down, we're going to do a little line right here. And then from the collar, we can come on out for a little bit of shoulder. And come on downward. And same on the other side. And then we can do a little line right here and over here. And do some paws. So 1, 2, 3. I'll do three little puppy dog toes. And 1, 2, 3 on that side. And now we can do a little spot right here. Actually, I said little, but it's a pretty big spot. And on this side too. Bring it on down. And now let's do a leg right there. And we can have 1, 2, 3 little puppy dog toes, a little line here, and the leg on the other side. So curve here, and then 1, 2, 3 little puppy dog toes. All right, so we are done our sketch. And now I'm gonna get started with coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our cute little picture of Waffles. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!